The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Good morning, Jamaica. Government ministers, everybody, education minister, especially. Why? I don't know if we start, but a whole heap we have to talk about. Me have to say. I'm a mother of 5 children. The oldest one, she's a girl, it's a girl, 16 years old. The second one, boy, 12. The third one, boy, 10. Well, this month, in my level. The fourth one, girl, 7 years old. And the fifth one, she a 3-year-old. I'm gonna understand me now, please. I never want them know say me I make this a video, yeah. If them even find out after, but I don't want them know say me I make a video now. Understand now, I have one phone, I have one device, I have one. And I have money to go buy one other one. And I say if I get the money, I will do it. But I not get it, I not have it. I want one more phone or one tablet or so to give me pitney them, to do them class or them schoolwork and them Zoom business and them Zoom that. Listen to me. And even so, if I do get the phone or the tablet to do it, where I get internet from, I don't have money to buy data, to buy service to last them at least 1, 2 or 3 days, more over 6, 5 and 6 days. What's the beginning to do? You download the Zoom. And you go on if you do one classwork or the Zoom, you have all of the data. On top of my personal text that I can't even get through with. Listen, 2 of them I got in it Bennett High School. The big girl have fear phone. She use it on the fear one, but she can't hardly find the money to give her to buy the credit too. To put on the data. And the other 3 of them, grade 7, the next one I got in it Bennett. He in a grade 7. When me go so download the Zoom on my phone and access it and them something there. How comes me I get to deal with the other 2 of them where the same thing, the same procedure I have to do for get through for them one. And when him a do in classwork, the other 2 of them I go left behind because me not have another device for give them, for do them, for them work. You don't understand me and me alone with my 5 pitney of them. One of the father them barely help me take care of the children them and the baby because she the last one a female on that one. The other rest of them not for him. And he might help me give me when he can. He never give me money and say a fishy specifically. You understand? And me not have no help with the other rest of them daddy. Government do not understand me. We cannot beat this thing. I know not try not do no work and I have high blood pressure. A week before last I got a doctor. I got a clinic and then prescribe medication for me. Jesus Christ, we cannot beat this thing. I not have no money. We gonna get look for how long on a promise we look up tablet them for pitney. Where it makes sense, You know, I tell yourself we do this and do that for them one time. We don't help with them the way there. We go town alone, we go give people them the tablet them. The tablet them we have it up, we have more. I don't even know what to say. Them picking through with the back of bush, you don't remember we one. We had a 3 pitting them. We had 2 of them, 3 of them we figure up on the tablet, even forget the information from school and so forth, them I got left behind because one phone cannot do everything. The last time my phone crashed, when the COVID just come out because I get group work from, because my daughter never have no phone yet, so I get group work from Fia grade 9 class, I get group work from my boy grade 6 class, for my other little boy grade 3 class, and for my other little girl grade 2 class. My phone run up, my phone bank up, it crash, it just mash up because of peer message a come in. And not to help the people them would have understand. So listen to me. If a group work gonna deal with pan the phone, them are just group work gonna kinda have a personal conversation pan the phone, pan the in the group. Or if you don't want to have a personal conversation with persons from the group, contact them pan them number. Government listen. I want the world to know this. Me just cannot manage no more. Me no. Una tell me say we fi do we thing, do what we have to do. Do what we have to do. Una tell me that you know. Una tell me say we fi do it because I feel them already and we have to do what we have to do. Me know I do no job. But if me figure a doctor right now, doctor tell me say me fi easy this and me no fi do this and me no fi that. Because them a do their job. So what me fi do? And me no want dead left me pitting them. No. Me no want dead left me pitting them. You don't understand. Right now, I don't want them to see me do this. I just feel shame, you know, me I cry in front of them. I can't help them the way they want to help. And my daughter is a very bright girl. She come first in her class in the last exam. I don't want she lose. I want she to go more, I want she to go far. Because I never finished school. Me never finished school. And a financial situation where I never finished school and I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant and drop out of school. Good God, don't have mercy upon me. Please. Anybody can tell me out of that situation and please, maybe gonna phone no help. They say the Wi-Fi we are run boy, a $15,500 fee install device in the house and them something there, and after the first month of getting the device at $3,500 every month after. How me fi manage that? When me fi get $15,500 for pay. When me pick them and look upon me for something for eat. Just don't know how to do. No, mash you more like COVID mash you up, you know. I swear. You can't beat this thing. Not even America can beat it. Some of us want to force and fight for. You can't beat it. Just, alright, since I don't give you the book them, I don't give you the book them, I don't tell yourself to do this and that. Make we just teach it them where we can teach them. No force if you go get no tablet. A tablet as street of I live with the school them I sell them I sell tablet for 19,000. Where parents get 19,000 from to buy a tablet. If one or two can afford it, what about the other rest them? How them the people go survive? How them go manage? If you can't beat enough, fight it. Because this thing come to kill people. When the final COVID itself kill you. Or your pressure is send you up. I mean, now make it send up my pressure. Because I want to live to see me pitting them past 3 walls. Sorry. No, if you see me pitting them past 3 words. Please broadcast this. Come on, government for know say, and everybody have it in a life. I'm a poor mother with 5 children. Can't me pinning nose me I do this, I swear. COVID done mash up them brain already and I don't want them see me I do this. If they go break down more, how them break down. Please, anybody out there who can assist me and my 5 children, them, please. You know I'm find. We know I'm find me because I don't mention the school name already. I have Gibraltar Primary School, St. Catherine, Bagwag. I have Enid Bennett High School, Bagwag, St. Catherine, same way. Just need some help. Just need some help. Please. Thanks. Thanks.
viewers and subscribers, I don't even know how to really and truly say some of the things that I want to say. You see, like, my heart full. My heart full, I tell you, it's like, viewers and subscribers, I only hope so that this video that I just presented to you, I only hope so that this video reach members of parliament within the country of Jamaica so that them can hear some of the things that this person had said, isn't it? I just presented to you a video that shows a female who said that she's a mother of 5. And she also said some things that gave me the understanding that she's trying to let the government of Jamaica or members of parliament within the country of Jamaica know that she's having a hard time finding ways or a way for her children to do online classes. You see me? This person went on to explain her situation. You see me? And basically asking for help. You see me? I say, viewers and subscribers, I cannot confirm if the things that this person has said, if it is true. But on a real, I believe her. See me? I believe her. You know? Now, I want to say this to each and everyone out there. See me? Whether you're a mother or a father, you understand? The COVID-19 is affecting the whole world. You see me? So, therefore, if you find yourself in a situation, financial situation or not, you see me? If you find yourself in certain situation, you see it? Don't stress. Don't stress. Because this COVID-19 pandemic, it's affecting the world. You see me? You know, it's like, what I'm trying to say is that let's hope that this thing will be over very soon so that we can get back to a normal life and catch up whatsoever we miss out on. You understand? And you know, I'm looking at it from an angle that this person tried to explain. You see me? And I think I understand how this person feels to see that her children are not able to do online classes the way how she would like to have them do online classes. You see me? Because, you know, it's like she explaining that she don't have certain things. The money. Viewers and subscribers, I presented this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person has said and you can also tell me what you think about it. You understand? Alright, we know that a lot of persons out there are affected by the COVID-19, and I know that there are persons out there who can't really do the online class thing within the country of Jamaica. You see me I say? So let's hope that the government of Jamaica do something about it. And I know when me said that a while ago, some persons might say the government of Jamaica might not do anything about it. It's rough. Alright, well, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. I also heard where the person said something about father. I can't really get into that because she never explained certain details. You see me? Yeah. So I have to leave it right there. So. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall.